It's a humble request for you guys to like, share, and subscribe. So let's start the video now. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code. Let's create a new file. Let's name it main.py. So I'm having the file, so like I will just replace the file once again. So let's start creating the main function for this. So let's give the if condition and declare a main function. So this will be the first thing that will be getting executed when we run the Python code. So for now, before that I forgot to mention, so we need to call a JSON, we need to declare a JSON object, so that will be a list. So in Python, so let's give key and function name. Function for now, let's keep it as function1, and let's copy the object. So let's change the key and function name. Let's make it 2 and 3 in this. So we don't have a function. Let's declare the function with that function name which we have given in the list of objects. So for now, let's print the values. Let's make it 2 and that one is 3. So now let's declare a for loop, iterate on the objects which we created. So let's declare a variable called function name, and let's call it a globals. In that we will be passing the function name by accessing each function of the function name. So that will be giving us function 1, 2, 3. Basically that will be calling the function, taking the string value to call the function. That's it. Let's try executing it now. Main.py. So sure, yeah, we got it. We got function 1, 2, 3. Now let's see how we can pass parameters on this. So for this, let's pass each function. So in that we can call val in everything, like so let's print out the key of the function val list. So val of key, let's copy that into all of the other functions. And let's try executing it now. Okay, it's still coming. I think I missed saving that. Let me save it and run the same command again. Yeah, so now we are getting 1, 2, 3. This is how we can pass parameters into this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.